I'm Juan Rodriguez. I'm with Rodriguez Specialist Construction Service. I'm a utility contractor from Wilson, North Carolina, and I've been in business for 6 years. I've been doing this kind of work for close to 20 years. We do mainly water, sewers, storm drains. We've been working with May, RHI for 3 years, and we bought 2 machines from them, and we're planning to buy more machines to expand our business and growing up every year. I deal with lead months most of the time, and if I need a machine, he's the guy that I need to talk to about it, and he makes it happen. I prefer Hyundai over any competitor machine. Just the fact that I've been having Hyundai for 3 years now, and I'm planning to go another 20, 30 years with it. The reason I choose Hyundai, I had worked with a contractor that he referred me to Hyundai, where he told me they were great machines, so I had never run a piece of equipment from Hyundai. He gave me a contact with his name is Lee Monses. He came and talked to me on the job site, and he said, do you want to rent this piece of machine? And he said, he don't have to charge me a couple weeks, just if I like it, either I can rent it or I can buy it. And then 2 weeks later, I call him and say, I want to buy a 160 Hyundai, and he got it delivered the following week. And since that day, our guys, they prefer Hyundai. Service has been great as far as if I need oil service, they be right there like the next day, and they take care of all the maintenance. All I had to do is make a phone call to Lee Mons, and he's right on top of it. The Hyundai Edge to me is just another nice machine on top of any other brand machine, and I would choose Hyundai all day long.